just in. Caesar the Handsome here for the 1 o'clock Channel 7 News. As the news channel that has brought you such things as the AD 62 earthquake, we bring you another story. Mount Vesuvius is on fire. At this moment, our reporter has entered the city to witness firsthand the destructive power of our gods. Lucia?
The city is in a state of fear. It seems Vulcan, our god of fire, has the sniffles, and it sneezed from the ground. We can no longer see our sister city, Herculaneum. It seems to be snowing, even though it feels as though I'm going to melt. What will our gods think of next?
Good question, and why don't you ask him yourself? We have here a local blind seer who will speak for the gods. Go ahead. And we'll be back after a few short commercials. And we're back.
Any new updates, Lucia?
It's getting increasingly dark outside. I know it's a little hard to breathe.
Probably nothing. We now have a local heretic who believes that science, not gods, can explain what's happening.
As I've told the townsfolk, this is not a sneeze. It's just pyroclastic flow from what I like to call a volcano, which is the doing of a thing called plate tectonics.
Volcano?
Derived from the name Vulcan. Keep up with me here. As I was saying, plate tectonics is a theory I came up with based on pure speculation and guessing. It pretty much states that instead of a flat Earth, it is spherical with about 14 large plates. When one collides with another, magma squeezes its way into a magma chamber and out through a vent.
If this is true, how did it happen?
My guess would be that a Eurasian plate subducted under an African plate, producing both felsic and mafic lava. If so, then our volcano would be a stratovolcano, based on its steep slope and its quiet and recent violent eruption.
This all sounds like heresy. Are you questioning the gods?
No, not exactly.
That's a confession. Seize him!
What?
To fill up our time slot, we have brought in a mystic to see the future. What do you see?
I see mountains and mountains of volcanic ash, but no city.
Citizens, don't panic. That mystic was delusional. And now, back to our programming.
It's been lasting about 18 hours. And it's raining foot care products. Is it just hard to breathe, or is it just me?
It's just you. And with that, we'll go to another commercial break.
Have you ever been pushed around, been beaten, or been executed by the king for crimes against the nation? Then join the Roman Jedi Legion. They don't abide by the laws of physics. They can control things with their minds. They can even take whatever they want. So if you want to be awesome, join the Roman Jedi Legion. Is clipping just too confusing? Has it become a bore to clip things? Well, not anymore with new Mega Clip. With new Mega Clip, clipping things is a breeze. Available in silver, black, and blood flavors. Order now and receive this free booklet. Things to do: clip a plate, clip a chair, clip a friend, clip a rock, clip a clip, clip technology, clip a muffin, and if all else fails, clip a...
Sorry to interrupt your commercials, but we have breaking news. Mount Vesuvius is no longer on fire. After 19 hours, it is finally over. Few reports from our citizens are streaming in, but as one peasant put it, holy crap, the city is on fire, holy crap. We now will tune into our reporter to see the city once more. Tune in next week to see if bananas make great weapons. Mrs. Caesar, signing off.